For this car battery so I could run these lights to attract insects for black lighting out where I don't have plug-in kind of areas, because like these work for a plug and they need this type of outlet looking plug, but of course I don't have those out on the water, so I have this inverter. And it's been a dream. It worked exactly as I needed it to. The only thing was my battery had run out of juice since I hadn't charged in a long time. So nothing wrong with this product. It works great. It works on the battery, the car battery, and it ran everything perfectly fine and actually caught me a really cool specimen. So I do recommend it. Works great.